Hey, I'm Sven. I'll show you everything you need to know about the household members in your Toniecloud account. Ready? Then let's get started. You can invite new friends to your Tonie household at any time. Friends like Eva. You can invite full members or creative-Tonie members. A full member has the same access rights as the household owner, you. You can also pass on your whole household to a full member who doesn't have a household of their own. For example, if you'd like to give a pre-installed Toniebox as a gift. However, full members can't delete the whole household. Only you can do this, of course. Household members with restricted access rights, creative-Tonie members, can only access the creative-Tonies you or another full member has approved for them once they've accepted the invitation. They can't adjust your household settings either. To invite another member to your household, log on to my.tonies.com first, using your login details. You'll find the Members menu option in the main navigation. On your smartphone or tablet, you'll need to slide out the navigation first. Click on the menu option to go to the Member Management overview. Here you can add new members and manage existing members. If you'd like to invite a new member, simply click Add Member. A dialog box will open. Enter the new member's email address here. Choose whether they will be a full member or a creative-Tonie member. Confirm that the new member wishes to receive the invitation, then use this button to send it. All the new member needs to do now is accept the invitation. If your new household member doesn't have a Toniecloud account yet, they will be taken to register once they accept the invitation. Of course, Eva has been registered for a while now, so she can go straight to the new household. If you've invited the new member to become a full member, they can do everything you can. A full member can configure Tonieboxes, doing things like limiting the maximum volume. Edit all creative-Tonies. They can rename them, upload new content, or delete existing content or whole creative-Tonies. Invite new members. Delete existing members or adjust basic household settings. Lock Tonieboxes so they can't play creative-Tonies from other households. And lock creative-Tonies so they can't be played in other households.
Uh-oh. Sorry, this Tonie is locked, so I can't play it. Please ask an adult to help you.
If you've given your new member restricted access rights, you might want to approve their creative-Tonies now. Click to select the creative-Tonie member under the Members menu option and tick all the creative-Tonies your new household member is allowed to edit. And as always, don't forget to save your changes. Alternatively, you can also select the creative-Tonie and manage the members there.
Hello! I'm a creative-Tonie. You can fill me with your own audio content.
Of course, you can change each member's access rights later. To do this, simply click to select the right member in the Members menu. This will open a page where you can manage each member's access rights. Don't forget to save your changes. And that's all we have to say about Tonie members. Thanks for watching and happy listening!